Take a look at any modern city. Behind the glass and steel, everything we do is governed by a microscopic operating system that exists entirely beneath human perception. For example, the GPS navigation in your smartphone only works because of atomic clocks, which use the vibrations of atoms to keep time accurate enough to pinpoint your car on a map. And this medical scanner produces images of your internal organs by manipulating the magnetic properties of hydrogen protons. These specific laws are known as quantum mechanics, the set of rules that dictate how every subatomic particle in the universe behaves. Our society relies on this science to function, yet for most of us, these rules remain a total mystery. These complex gold components are part of a quantum computer. Machines like this are moving toward commercial use, promising to provide uncrackable cybersecurity and solve chemistry problems that today's computers can't touch. As this technology leaves the lab, our general lack of understanding is becoming a practical problem. It is difficult to participate in or regulate an economy driven by science that feels like magic. Seeing this gap, scientists didn't wait for governments to update school curriculums or for institutions to launch new public awareness campaigns. They created World Quantum Day, a decentralized, bottom-up movement organized by researchers to bring this science directly to the public. This holiday serves as a global effort to help people learn the underlying language of the technologies that will soon define their lives. The movement traces its roots back to 1900 and the man in this portrait, Max Planck, who discovered the mathematical constant that defines the quantum world. This shows why April 14th was chosen. The date 414 refers to the first digits of Planck's constant, 4.14. The full value is 4.14 times 10 to the negative 15th electron-volt seconds, the fundamental limit of energy and time. While Planck discovered the math, modern engineers are using it to build the basic building block of a new kind of computer, the qubit. A standard computer bit is a simple switch, locked into 0 or 1, but this 3D block sphere represents a qubit. As it rotates, it demonstrates superposition, the ability to exist in a blended state of both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This block sphere model is so important for public understanding that Google featured it as the official 2026 World Quantum Day doodle. By utilizing these blended states, quantum computers can navigate specific calculations that would take a traditional supercomputer thousands of years to complete. Physicists use Dirac notation to describe these states. This symbol describes an overlap, read as A in B. World Quantum Day uses these brackets to name outreach programs, like Quantum in the School, Quantum in the Arts, and Quantum in the Museum. This simple branding supported a massive effort, over 530 events across 80 countries. It shows how a microscopic mathematical constant can inspire a global community to take action. This momentum has recently shifted from classroom education to real-world economic policy. In 2025, Colorado officially proclaimed World Quantum Day a statewide holiday, signaling a significant commitment from local government. That proclamation is tied to a $120 million public investment, as the region was designated a U.S. regional tech hub for quantum research. This single hub is already home to 30 active quantum companies and employs over 3,000 professionals. These figures suggest that quantum physics is transitioning from a university elective into a primary driver of new industrial jobs. You can engage with this shift by searching the World Quantum Day hashtag or checking for events at museums and schools in your area. With thousands of careers already linked to these subatomic laws, a basic grasp of quantum mechanics is becoming a practical requirement for the modern workforce.